10 Smartest American Birds. 10. Blue jays. Jays often hoard nuts for later feeding. The collecting and caching of food is significant. It means the birds can plan for the future. The birds always find their hidden treasure later on. This demonstrates impressive long-term memory. 9. Hummingbirds. These birds outdo jays when it comes to remembering. Hummingbirds remember every flower they've ever visited. Flowers take time to fill up with nectar. By memorizing them, a bird knows when the next meal is ready. 8. Harris's hawks. These southwestern hawks hunt in family packs. They work together to flush and ambush prey. This also enables them to hunt fairly large prey. Harris's hawks prey on desert cottontail and even jackrabbits. 7. Wild turkeys. Wild turkeys have their own method of cooperation. They line up wing to wing and walk across fields. The birds can flush more insects in this formation. Turkeys have distinct assembly calls they use to gather others. 6. Great gray shrikes. Shrikes impale their prey on thorns. Then they tear off little pieces to feed. This collection of food is called a larder. During the mating period, males make large larders. They place these in conspicuous locations. Female shrikes are attracted to the abundance of food. 5. Northern mockingbirds. These birds recognize individuals of potentially dangerous species. More unusually, they remember an individual's past behavior. The birds will single that individual out for attack. Mockingbirds dive bomb perceived threats. In an experiment, researchers asked people to approach a mockingbird nest. One particular person approached the nest several times. The birds learned to recognize him as a threat. They preemptively attacked him in a crowd, ignoring others. 4. European starlings. Despite their name, these birds are widespread in North America. They learn and repeat the songs of other species. Starlings can mimic eastern wood pewees, killdeer, meadow larks, and others. They even mimic cell phone ringtones and other urban noises. 3. Green herons. Herons are smart enough to use human tricks. They snatch up bits of bread that people feed to ducks. The herons then use the bread as bait. They lure small fish to the surface where they are easily caught. 2. Bald eagles. Bald eagles demonstrate problem-solving skills. They use trial and error to adapt to new situations. For instance, if the prey is too heavy, they can't carry it in flight. So they swim across water bodies, dragging it behind them. Bald eagles also crack ice with their strong beaks. Then they jump up and down on it to break through. This exposes open water for fishing. 1. Ravens. In one study, ravens successfully pre-planned tasks to get food. They were even capable of delayed gratification. The birds could choose one of the two options, a small treat or a token for more food later. They overwhelmingly chose the second option. This makes them smarter than some human toddlers.